This is a house for my elder brother. They love traditional architecture of India. They also love the antiques and kind of collecting the artifacts, which is heritage for kind of things. We design the house with theme which they love. We took inspiration from many traditional homes. Ahmedabad has traditional homes in the city and the old village homes of Gujarat. Hi, I'm architect Hiren Patel from Studio HPA. Please join me to this beautiful home, the Little Chettinad of Ahmedabad. To watch premium video and also if you want to download the PDF ebook, please log on to the Buildofy's website. The link will be definitely there in the description. Once we had a housewarming, the opening day, and that day one of my client a dear friend from South India came, and he walked through because we were on the backside lawn, and he walked through the house and he said, Hiren bhai, this reminds me of Chettinad home of South India. And he said, this is a Little Chettinad home of Ahmedabad. And we said, wow, what a name, what a kind of respect to our own heritage houses. They're known for its richness of art and prosperity. So you enter through the nice pathway of natural stone. This is a west-facing entrance of the house. The architecture looks very powerful and your eyes goes towards that. And we wanted to dilute that impact because there are hierarchy to explore the house and experience. So we thought the flower will distract you. So that's how we create the little layers of the garden. This is a courtyard home, very traditional way of designing the house. We especially got the traditional kind of roof over there. And then there is a hierarchy. Rather than creating two levels, what we did, we add the two side additional skylights. Rather than seeing only two layers, you see the three layers. That's the gesture for creating a composition of architecture. We try to create the focus to the center part. Once you open the door, you what see the sense of courtyard there. But a little the ceiling over there. So on the right side belongs to the private, which is bedroom 1. Bedroom 2, which is very identical. From the bedroom, now we have extended it out with the corner windows. My mother definitely going to stay. She loves staying with them as well. So there is a room for her. So on the left wing, we have the kitchen, puja space in the center because it creates the focal to the courtyard. So when you have the bigger the puja or ceremony, you can utilize courtyard again. And then we have a dining space. You can apply the dark colors in your architecture interior when you have ample lights there. So as you see over here, we have light coming from the both sides. My bhabhi, she loves metal. I mean, her love for the copper and utensil. So that we started displaying as a piece of art. Now creating courtyard, you require the surrounding spaces. So these are the surround spaces of the house. Center part, hub of the house, the heart of the house. That's the courtyard. Look at the bird here. I mean, you start seeing the birds coming over here. courtyard will also work as a multitasking. So small get together, everybody can be here, you arrange the way you want to do it. We got Jharokha, which is very traditional part of architecture. Only window will not justify. So projected Jharokha brought that connectivity towards the center courtyard. And in center is the formal living space with lots of freedom of sitting. It's a very large volume. And then you come out with a nice big veranda having the view towards the lake and the grand lawn and the big trees around. When you go up, we have one more floor. So we have glass staircase. So while climbing, you virtually feel that you are walking through the green. So we have the veranda above the ground floor veranda and one master bedroom. That's the traditional Jharokha with small windows. And Ahmedabad is known for that use of color glass. We thought that why can't we create the one more balcony at the top level, because from there you have fantastic view. You see the lily pond and the garden around. Brothers and Bhabhi, at this age, for them it's little ease of life. This house definitely gives them that flexibility, inviting friends, get together, inviting family. Our joint family is huge. We are 28 people, and so being elder brother, we have a lot more meeting over here, family gathering over here. So I think at this age, it's a blessing for him. I'm sure he's thoroughly enjoying the house.